Today we are baking a golden honey wheat bread. It's simple, it's wholesome, and perfect for everyday baking. Let's get started. In a large bowl, 250 grams of whole wheat flour and 250 grams of bread flour, 7 grams of yeast, 5 grams of salt, 30 grams of unsalted butter, 150 milliliters of honey, 155 milliliters of warm water, and 185 milliliters of milk. Pour them in thirds. Mix until your dough forms. Now flour your workspace. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place in a greased bowl, cover and let it rise for 30 minutes. After resting, fold the dough by gently stretching and folding each side over the center. Do it twice. Folding strengthens the gluten and gives the loaf a better structure. Once you're done, cover and let it rise for another 30 minutes. Now flour your workspace again. Now shape it into a round boule. Remember to tuck the edges underneath to create surface tension. Place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Cover and let it rise for another 1 hour. Now take a baking tray and fill it with 1 cup of water. Place it on the bottom rack of the oven to create steam. Set the oven to 205 Celsius. Bake the bread for 20 minutes with steam. Then carefully remove the tray of water to vent the oven and bake for another 10 minutes until the loaf is golden brown. Enjoy!